On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you a little stir fry, something a nice little side dish that can go with almost any meal. But I want to pause right here to say special thanks to all that are supporting the Jamaican Cooking Journey, the Jamaican Debbie Deb Strain, and also Debbie's Jamaican family. I want to send a special shout out to my patrons. If you would like to be a part of my Patreon family, click on the link in the description. Show us some love. Remember to support our Amazon store. Thank you. Our post notification shout outs, they go right up there. We're going to be doing a stir fry vegetable for any side meal. So let me go and start introducing you to my little stuff. I have here some carrots. I am using some red bell peppers, some onions, some green scallions, a little bit of scotch bonnet, not so mature, but that's what we got. Some chopped garlic, some chopped ginger. We have here some cauliflower. You could substitute mushrooms if you are a mushroom lover. And for our green leafy vegetables, we're going to be using mustard. I've gone ahead and I have separated my stalks from my leaves. Why? My stalks are a little more chewy. I really love mustards and I cannot afford to throw out my stalks. I am gonna vamp up my wok right on over here and I will catch you in the next clip. Now we'll be finishing this off with a little sauce for just a little special extra gig. Inside here I have got a tablespoon of brown sugar. You could substitute with honey, or if you don't want to use no honey, or you know what, you just use what you feel to use. That would give you a little sweet taste. I'm going to be putting 1 tablespoon or a little less than a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. I'm going to be putting about 2 to 3 tablespoons of white cooking wine. You could use some rice vinegar for this, if you please, or whatever else you want to use. 1 tablespoon of, what's this sauce here? It is oyster sauce. With that all said, we're going to be dissolving it. You see this color? Yes, so 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I'll put it on the screen for you. We want to get it. We want to do it from now, so as we make our stir fry, our sugar will dissolve. Also, you want to taste, because we're trying to keep low on the salt, because the soy sauce has salt and the oyster sauce, you know, it's salty. So you want to taste. Our sugar is not yet dissolved, but I think it's fine. We could maybe add, my olive oil is like low, but I think I might add just like a half of a teaspoon or less of olive oil. Oops. So we have that there. We're gonna mix it until all our sugar granules have been dissolved. As I say to you, honey would be fine right here. Honey would be fine. Our wok is over here, and I've got here a little fennel seed and some pimento, crushed pimento. That is for extra spice, okay? I've got me here some vegetable oil. My wok over here is heated on the medium. I'm gonna put my vegetable oil in and all of that. In with my carrots first. Wow, nothing is wrong if it's not sizzling too much. It will get there. Why? My carrot is very chewy and I want to make like a little bed with my carrots before I add my ginger and my garlic, because you know those will be next. Okay, so getting medium to high, and we're getting our carrots going on right there. We've got to know how we're doing it, because we are using some cauliflower. Okay, garlic and ginger right in, not giving it any time to burn. Scallions in, right up on the eye right now. And in the other minute we'll be putting in our onions. Onions in, and you're supposed to be at your eyes right now fennel and pimento seeds in. Let's get that mix going on right there for probably about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. Try not to get them, any of your veggies, overcooked. Right there. Cauliflower in. Coat them up well and don't overcook them. Coat them up well right there. Stir fry so you ain't got time to leave and to go talk on the phone. You've got to be here stirring whilst they're frying. They're frying on their own in the wok or in the skillet, but your job is to be stirring whilst they fry. Bell peppers, time for them now. Time to taste one of our carrots. Crunch. Cauliflower. Crunch. Mustard stalks in. Wow, it's looking good. In with your mustard leaves. Get that stirring up going on. Still on the eye. Giving it no time to burn and not to make any extra, what's that thing? Any extra steam buildup. So we are still on the eye. We are getting everybody mixed in, and as we mix in, our mustard leaves, they will dwindle a bit, you know, and they will relax. You see they are relaxing. You can see more of the other veggies as we stir them up. Yes. At this time, on the very high, we are going to spoon, not all, about 3 tablespoons of this nice sauce that we mix. Maybe we can do 4. You see the consistency? Yes, you see it has reached the bottom. Stir up. And you're going to cook this to your liking, you know. If you like your veggies, then all over the place, all something there. It's up to you. I'll turn my flame right off right now because what has happened is that there is still heat under my wok. You see? We don't want our cauliflower get in. You see that? Yeah. So, look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'll just let it stay relaxed. If you want to add salt, you add. I don't like anything too salty. You know that. So, I let it relax, and in the next clip, I'll have nice little serving of this stir-fry veggie, all plated just for you. Here we go, all relaxed, and we are going to plate some just for you. There you have it, cooking family, our very own little stir-fry from our Jamaican kitchen to your stomach, to your palate, and most of all to your table. It is the stir fry, and I just topped it off with a little currants. Please do enjoy.